Hey, good morning, YouTube family. I'm saying good morning because it is morning for me. It's about 6:30 in the morning, and I'm getting ready for work. And I washed my hair yesterday, and I put it in 2-strand twist. The reason why I'm saying 2-strand twist is because my locks are still tiny. It's actually 4 locks together, but I twisted it up, and now I have to take it down for work. And since I have to do a hair update video anyway, I figured why not do it at the same time while I'm getting ready for work, because you guys know that, well, it just makes sense for me. So I figured this is how I can get videos done at the same time while getting ready, because I have to take my hair down anyway, so why not talk while I do it, right? Got it. Anyway, I said all of that before I said welcome to my channel. If you are new here, if you like what you see, you can feel free to subscribe. Feel free to subscribe. I don't have as many. I know a lot of you guys that are watching the video now are watching it for my hair videos, my lock supporters. So I don't have as many lock videos as I did in the past. I have a whole slew of lock videos in the past. It's just that right now I don't have as many because I talk about so much hair stuff already that I don't know what else to talk about except to give you guys updates every now and then. So that is what I'll be doing. To start off with, when I'm taking my hair out, I do put coconut oil. This is coconut oil. I keep my hands moist with coconut oil the entire time because it just leaves my hair shiny when I'm done, and it also cuts down the frizz. So this is 2, but then if you unravel it, it's actually 4. So that's 2, and then unravel this one. 4. So see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So each twist consists of 4 locks. So we have ways to go. It's going to take me a while. Usually when I put the twist in, when I do twist my hair up, it takes me approximately, because I know you guys might ask, and I'm trying to think of questions that you guys might ask ahead of time, but it usually takes me approximately 2 hours to 2-strand twist or 4-strand twist my locks. And what I do is that I wash my hair. I let it dry for a while. I don't just do it right away. And then after like an hour or 2 of it drying up in my microfiber towel, I then style it. And that is the twist that I did yesterday. And I just put a movie on, sit on my couch and go to work. So by the time the movie is finished, then my hair is usually finished at the same time as well. Alright, we have to move fast because if I don't, I run the risk of running late for work. And I don't like to be late. But I'm basically never late. Okay, let's see what else is going on. Oh, okay, when I do twist my hair, I do, or any kind of curls, I do use a styling foam. Well, not a foam. This one is called a Lotta Body. I'll show it to you guys. And I use that to help hold my curls longer. And yeah, just hold my curls longer when I do any kind of curly style, which is majority of the time. As far as washing my hair is concerned, I am still on my every 2-week wash schedule. So I wash my hair every 2 weeks. I've been doing that for years now, and I'm still on that same schedule where it's every 2 weeks I wash my locks. It has not changed, and that works perfectly fine for me. I think washing it every week would be too much on my locks, and also too much for me because it does take time, and the longer my hair gets, the more work it is. It's unfortunate that because my hair is in the curly style now, you can't really see the length of it, but it's basically almost to my waist. So it does get to be time consuming after a while. Not complaining though. So that's why I think every 2 weeks work for me, because I give myself a break. So every other Sunday I wash my hair. As far as washing my hair, the shampoo that I use, I still use the Shea Moisture shampoo. The one that I've been using lately is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil shampoo. That works really great with my hair. And the other one that I like from them is the something Yucca and Plantain, something like that. Yucca and Plantain. So those are the two that I use. So what I do is I use one, which is I'm using the Jamaican Black Castor Oil one now. And when that finishes, I give my hair a break from that one and I use the Yucca and Plantain. And then when that finishes, I go back and I buy the Jamaica Black. Those are the two that I really like, and my hair really seems to like those two. I haven't tried every shampoo from them, but my hair likes those two, so I just switch it up with those two. Whew. We're getting there. We are getting there. Oh, my hair, you guys, to be honest, maintenance-wise, I cannot tell you guys, I do not remember the last time I interlocked my hair. I think it has to be more than 6 months. In between the interlocking, I have retwisted a few times. I don't know, if you maybe like, I don't remember. But I need to interlock my hair because my roots, you can't see it now, and I'm sorry. I will try to do an updated video when, you know, you can see it better. But my roots are just so much new growth. And they're starting to, the locks are starting to marry, so I have to just constantly pop them apart. So, yeah, I really need to do it, interlock it. I think I'm going to try to do it as soon as I can, maybe this week. Because, like I said, I have a trip in Virginia coming up in a few days. And I think I might just do it, come home from work, and I do it in 4 little sections. I don't do it all at once. I do it section by section. I think I might just try and knock it out then. And then after that, I don't know when I'm going to do it again. What else is going on with my hair? Oh, you guys see, I have consistently maintained the black. I haven't colored in a while. Will I ever color again? I don't know. I don't know. I enjoy the color, but black is always so classic to me. It's just like always going to be my #1 choice. The black is just, and speaking of coloring, I did happen to, some of my locks did break off, not many. I did experience where I think about maybe 3 or 4 of my locks, they snapped off. I think I'm going to be able to show you one right now, if I can get it. And I'm not too sure what caused it. It could have been possibly caused by the coloring that I did last. But I do have about 3 locks that popped off. So this is one of them here, wait. Yep, see, look. See this one? This is my new shortest lock right here. Let's continue. What are we speaking about? Okay, so yeah, so I not lost, but about 3 or 4 of my locks snapped off. One of them was when I was washing my hair. I saw it and I was like, oh! It hurt me for like a good few minutes, but then I got over it. Another one was like, I just was playing with the lock and I'm just like, where's the rest of it? I didn't even know it snapped off, but I saw it. I didn't know where it came from. I did not know what happened to it. And I think the other 2, I forgot how those snapped off, but it was just mostly like, I'm like, you know, playing like, where's the rest of it? But it was only those 4. But other than that, my hair is still, I would say, very healthy. Very healthy. But it could have been many different reasons why they snapped off. I don't know. But I think it partly has to do with the coloring. And not that I'm saying anything is wrong with coloring your locks, because I do promote coloring your locks if you want to, if you do it healthily. I mean, I just don't want to color my locks right now. But if I wanted to, I would still do it. Just not, I don't necessarily put bleach in my hair first to color my locks, but I'm sure the box colors have some kind of bleach in it, some of them, but not as strong as putting the straight bleach on your hair, you know? So if you want to do it, just be safe with it. And it could be because I have so many locks that it bothered me, but I didn't let it unsettle me for too long, because I have so many locks that you can't tell. If I don't show it to you, you can't tell. It was only 4. And I have like hundreds of locks, so that's how I felt about that. Oh, You know the worst thing though for me, oh, this is one of my pet peeves, is when you have a snagged fingernail and you have to do any kind of either washing my locks or taking this down right now. It is the most annoying, uncomfortable feeling because the nail just keeps getting snagged on every part of the lock. It really is so annoying. It's like sometimes I wash my hair. This is one time where I need to get my nails done. And my nails were bad. My nails were bad. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. See, it keeps snagging. So I have to keep this finger up like this. And I had to wash my hair because I like to wash my hair early. Like I wash my hair. And speaking of washing my hair again, you guys, I know I'm promoting my Instagram a lot in my videos, but that is the real place to keep up with me because YouTube is just a lot of work with editing the videos and stuff nowadays. But if you want to see like me washing, not really see me washing my hair, but I do, like on Sundays when I'm washing my hair, I keep you guys up to date with it, show you guys some parts of the process. But anyway, like I was saying, because I get so distracted, I washed my hair legit with gloves on one time because it was so much torture to do it with my nails being so messed up that I had to put gloves on because then my locks would have been damaged if I hadn't. It was that. Yeah. Any other, let me see, what else might you guys want me to talk about? Do I have any other things I need to update you guys with? Oh, the combination. A while ago, almost a year. Has it been a year yet? Oh gosh, has it been? Maybe it was a year. Was it last year? I think it was last year that I combined more locks in the front. Okay, when I get to the front, hopefully I remember to show you guys those locks to see the progress. Don't know if you can see much definition with it now, or if you guys could be able to see it because if, you know, it's in a twisted style. I would have to show it to you guys when my hair is straight. But they are coming along quite well, to be honest. Some of them still have the twisted look to them, and some of them have just grown it out. Just give it lengthwise. Some of them they're meshing quite well together, and I'm happy with the size. There are a few that's like in the center that I find that are still too small for my liking, and I'm like, I thought I combined you. And for my history, you guys, I always like to mention my history because I do have new subscribers that don't necessarily know my history. Let me just mention it real quick. I started off with sisterlocks in 2010. Around 2011-ish. Yeah, I started with relaxed ends in 2010, in March. Around 2012-ish, I started combining my locks and maintaining them myself. And then over the years, I've just continued to combine them and maintain them myself. So initially, I combined all my locks together, and then I combined them again. I think I combined them 3 times. So it's like my locks were much smaller than this. Much smaller. I think this is the 4th time or 3rd time I've combined them. And this is basically the size of my locks. So some of them are still bigger than some of them are still smaller, but that is the average size of my locks. But anyway, look you guys, here's another one that's snapped off. And we're doing good. Let's see, what else might you guys want to know? Update of products that I use in my hair. The products that I use in my hair still haven't changed. I already told you guys the shampoo that I use. And when I'm doing my curls, the setting lotion that I use, I told you guys that. Let's see, when I do retwist my hair, if I do that, I still use my aloe vera gel. And I mix in a little bit of my hair growth oil with it, which I forgot the brand name, but I'll show it to you guys as well. I just mix those two together and retwist if I need to retwist. My hair is still a little bit damp. I tell you, it takes forever to dry it sometimes. So those products still haven't changed. Do I use anything else on my locks? Not really. Honestly, not really. I don't really mix it with anything else. That is basically the products that I use. Oh yeah, sometimes, oh yeah, I do use other products. Sometimes I do use the Shea Moisture, oh my gosh, African water, ginger mint, something name like something like that. when, you know, it's almost time to wash my hair, like a few days before I have to wash my hair, my roots are a little bit funky, I just put that in there, and the peppermint like really invigorates my roots and my scalp, and it gives it like a nice, soothing, clean, fresh feeling before I wash my hair. So that I use as well. Forgot to mention that. Or if I do a workout and my scalp is really sweaty, and then I put that in there as well. Oh man, I got so much more to go. I gotta hurry up. This is the struggle sometimes. Not complaining. I don't want you guys to say, oh, she's just complaining, or not complaining, but you know, this is the struggle sometimes. Here's another one that popped off. This is, I think, the third one I've shown you guys so far. Alright, you guys, up to the last one. And right now it's around 7:40-ish. So it took me approximately an hour to take this down, and I was rushing. Like, I'm, as you can see right now, I am rushing. Okay, that's it, right? We're done. Oh, this fingernail. Okay, let me see if I can show you guys some of the new growth. Alright, so right here, you guys can see, come down. All of this up to right here is new growth. So I have that much of new growth that I need to interlock. Some are worse than others. And right there again, all of that is new growth. Wait, I'll do my traditional style. Swoop to the right. That's what I'm known for, my swoop. And it's majority always to the right side. Wait, ouch. Yeah, this is my traditional look. So this is how it is looking. Get out my face a little bit. But we're done, you guys. I can't give you guys a long outro because I gotta go. Oh, I have to go. Let's see if I can give you guys a length check. This is where it is, but my actual length of my locks come down to my waist. Oh, I just stretched that one out. This is the actual length of my locks, which is my stomach, but it comes down to my waist. When my hair is not curly, so you guys can see the length if you want to. But anyway, I have to go. Thank you guys for sticking around with me while I did this. And I think this will help me get more on track with doing videos if I do it while I'm getting ready. So you guys will see this robe quite often. Get used to it. It's cute. Bye, my love. Have a good day at school. Saying bye to my son. They're leaving and I have to go. But anyway, that's all. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any questions for me about my locks, leave it in the comment section. And then that will inspire me as far as what to talk about in the next hair update video. I have plenty of lock videos that I've done in the past. Feel free to check those out. They might help with some of the questions. But anyway, I have to go. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.